Hi, Rob, Happy Sauce. Him.
Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be hiking in Kennestenbank with my sister and my friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go.
How are we gonna run this?
That's a laka meat, bro. A laka meat. Yeah? You see the way it's looking.
This time, yeah?
But they're cute though, bro.
Eh?
They're cute.
Yeah.
School.
Just take pictures like this. Last time I came here, bro, I was drunk as hell, bro.
Yeah, drunk.
Yeah, I was drunk, bro.
Come here, drunk.
It was, yeah, it was partying.
And the party was happening here. You see where we parked the car?
Yeah.
That's where the party was.
Oh.
And then we decided to come and hike. We got my mother's meeting.
Yo.
And she was calling, now we're far away, we couldn't come back.
You couldn't come back now, that day?
Yes, we had to move our shoes and run. Because there was no network also.
Oh, yeah.
Like, come now.
You went only two. There was some.
You also had another, what's an impression? Just as 8. Problem. Last time we came through there and we passed the water.
And we took pictures. Don't fall.
That's why I was supposed to take your bag now.
Because that bag, you go with it, bro. Mimi, come take the camera.
Him.
too much, bro. And I'm checking the video.
After the sun comes out.
Hey, check that tree, bro. It's very long. Check.
Kìa bữa. Hi, bro, puppy sauce. Hi, is lying. Hi. What's your problem, bud? Ha.
That's what I saw, crocodile.
Yo, I almost dropped the camera in.
I won't be scared. Can you maybe say I saw a person you won't be scared of crocodile.
Why would the crocodile be doing on the ground, not in the water?
But I think you said like you saw a person passing.
You're gonna get scared?
I'm scared now.
A person.
How you know it's like a real person?
A ghost?
Yeah.
Ha. Ghosts only come at night, go to band.
It's blood.
Hi, it's not blood.
That's blood.
It's not.
Come guys, let's go. We're gonna leave the camera like this.
Ah. They usually write it down. Yeah. Yep. You should have given me your durag. The pink one. See, today I'm wearing pink. But you don't want. You want making the sound? Ha! Yes. Pepsis is behaving like an animal now. You see, when you see an animal, you must also act like an animal so that they'll think you're an animal. They won't do anything. We have the map. We won't get lost. We don't even know the names of the places we're at now. There's no network.
You can't see it.
You can't make a call.
Give the number. You see the map.
Yeah.
The number. Oh yeah. Whoa! Jump. Where are we now?
This one is no need to exercise anymore.
Is it a river?
Yeah, danger. They even say
This one.
unsafe
And the church
structure.
go.
Yeah, the same unsafe structure.
It can fall anytime, Che.
No, like maybe what they are afraid of here. Maybe you can fall. They think that
You wanna try going?
yeah. Like a meat.
Yeah. You would rather. Exactly. How are they gonna stop gorillas? And that man was too.
We just see our map is working.
Where are we now? We don't even know.
You see, I only see the entrance.
Where did we park our car? They don't have. What's the name of the park there? Here. We parked here.
Okay, yeah.
And then we're coming. We did not see this, so we didn't take this road. What's this here, band?
I don't know. That's a vehicle sign.
Your side. No, here. What is this side? Here.
This side. Where you can just watch this side.
Oh, like they also the beach where the city comes.
Why you going?
Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy Papi Sauce. Look up to my YouTube channel. What do you say?
Where are we? It's a lion crying. No, that sounds like an elephant. Elephants make noises. You never know.
There's zombies here.
And gorillas.
Look at us.
Ah.
Pass with the map. Yeah.
Hey, you find the lion sitting there. Then what you gonna do? Papi Sauce, it's too late for the map. We were supposed to look as we are walking now. We're like far away. We don't even know where we are. They don't even write anything on the road, so we see. And then we found ourselves at the mall.
I can drink.
Hi, Bo. You wanna drink this water?
Yeah, this one.
What about the water in the bag? You get sick here. Who's gonna help you? You can't call any 911. It's 911.
No, it's not 911. It's 811.
811. The emergency number, band.
Yeah.
You're wrong. It's 911.
What's the nation's number here?
Yeah. It's what? No, 911 is for America, guys. In South Africa, in South Africa, it's 112. They should always have people around to see if there's danger.
No, these are no snails.
They are. You look the honest beach, eh?
Check. Banda.
Down there.
See, you see this one? Yeah, I think it's a snail.
Where are we now on the map?
Where are we now, Banda?
The numbers are even clear. If we need help, how are they gonna help us?
This is
Yeah, that's what I was saying as well.
Okay.
They're cheating, yeah.
okay. This is entrance.
You see?
And this.
You won't remember.
Hey, don't make noise, bro. Just don't make noise. There he is. I'm gonna run.
It's gonna run, Samson.
You see? No, it's not gonna run. It's not gonna run, but it's not. It's still there, bro.
They can't.
No. And now we're going back, isn't it?
I don't know you, bro. What is the time?
Let me check the
It's a paper.
Let's see.
Yo guys, I'm getting tired. Ha. Don't worry about me.
For sure, bro. It's why you're inside.
Ah,
How you see it?
this is the entrance.
Entrance.
Me now wanna ask. Oh, now we can follow the map.
Because those people, they were sitting there when
And check out the back. You want the F next, bro?
Yeah.
Can F?
I mean, now have water. Che.
You lying, man.
Huh?
Curious.
He is.
I wanted to buy one.
We went to shop with my mother. He wanted to pick, my mother said no.
What you like?
Now I have my own man I can buy.
Ha.
When I was in Cape Town, bro, I used to do it like every day. And it's cheap, bro.
How much?
Bro. 10 rand each.
What's this also on the picture there? Hello?
That's where you're going.
There's a snake. You wanna swim?
Man, do you know? Man, do you know that I can scream?
You?
I'm telling you, bro.
Tired.
You can see, I'm tired as fuck. I hope you guys will like the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. I hope
Your mom is watching the video.
there's most is what, bro?
What kids will listen the F word you said?
Papi says the battery is going down for the thingy. Yo, but we need to do.
Go and search. You can go and search that
So
thing.
guys, we come to our end of the day, the hiking thing. So I hope you guys you like the video, man. Bye.
You wanna chase them? Hold it.
Wanna chase?
I wanna chase them. Run.
Are you happy now? Ah. Now guys, we're going back to the car because we're tired now. We've been here for like how many hours?
2 hours.
Two?
Yeah, 2 hours.
Okay, now we're going back to the car so that we can go back because we've been walking the whole time and we're tired. Oh, finally found the car. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching up to the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time new videos go up. We're now gonna go home because we've been here for hours and we're tired. And yeah, bye.
Yeah, please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.